Homemade ice cream. Learn how to make ice cream at home with Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So we need sugar 1 kg, 1 kilo. We need gum 1 tablespoon. We need CMC 1 tablespoon. We need milk flavor. Half a teaspoon. We need milk 5 liters, 2 liters cold, 3 liters warm. So we need also powdered milk. So me, I used Lato powdered milk. We need 5 tablespoons or 5 packs. We need cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, and you need also flavor of your choice. You can use vanilla, you can use strawberry. So in our saucepan or bowl, we apply gum 1 tablespoon. So you apply CMC 1 tablespoon. You apply milk flavor, half a teaspoon. Apply powdered milk. 5 tablespoons or 5 packs of Lato powdered milk. If you don't have it, you can use condensed milk. Then after, you are going to mix. Then you are going to apply sugar 1 kg, but first apply half of it. Then the remaining you apply it after. Then you are going to mix. We are doing ice cream at home. We are doing homemade ice cream. So after, we are going to get our milk. We are going to start with the cold milk. I repeat it, start with the cold milk. So start applying little milk little by little as you are mixing or as you are whisking. You can use, if you have a mixer, you can use a mixer. If you don't have it, you can use a wooden spoon. So add the remaining sugar like I'm doing. So add the remaining sugar as you are mixing slowly by slowly as you add in the cold milk. At this point, we are still adding in, we are still using cold milk. Remember, you have to mix until you see everything is thick, until you see the sugar is dissolved. So in another bowl, apply cornstarch 1 tablespoon and dissolve it with cold milk. Then after, add it in our mixture. Cornstarch 1 tablespoon, mix it with little cold milk. Then after, add it in our mixture. Then after, apply all the balance of the cold milk. Remember, you're doing homemade ice cream. So add in the balance of the cold milk as you are mixing slowly by slowly. So make sure that you give it your time. You make sure that it has no crumbs. We don't need any crumb. We need our ice cream to be thick. Remember, we still have more 3 liters of milk which are warm to add here. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So at this point, we are going to raise the temperatures. So that means we are going to start applying our warm what? We are going to start applying our warm milk. The warm milk will help you to raise the temperatures. Remember, we applied CMC and gum. To dissolve that CMC and gum, you need to dissolve it with what? With that warm milk. So warm milk will help you to dissolve it. So after, you are going to separate your ice cream. So the first bowl you apply strawberry, and another one you apply vanilla. So you apply teaspoon. You apply a teaspoon. Then after, you're going to apply in your machine. One side apply vanilla, another side apply strawberry. We are doing ice cream. So for those, if you don't have this machine, you watch this video until the end. So you are going to switch on the machine for 20 to 30 minutes as it is mixing. So after those minutes, it is good to go, you serve. In fact, you can get a small machine. It is like 500k. Then if you are going to use the fridge, you're going to get your tins, apply your ice cream mixture, then apply your tins in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours. So you freeze for 8 to 10 hours, but it depends on the type of fridge you are doing, what you are using. This is Chef Joshua CCCC. We have been doing how to make ice cream at home for business. You can also buy a small machine. It is like 400 to 500k Ugandan shillings. See you.